Macromill, CNC Macro Mastery Program. Welcome to Macromill, your trusted CNC solutions provider. Today, we introduce the CNC Macro Mastery Program, a comprehensive training program designed to transform you into an expert CNC macro programmer. Section 1. Macrominter 24/7. Gain 24/7 access to our Macrominter, your personal CNC macro programming guide. Whether you need help troubleshooting, creating new macros, or optimizing your programs, expert assistance is always available. Section 2. CNC Macro Programming Books. Included in the program are two essential books. The Newcomer's Guide to CNC Macro Programming, a detailed 400-page guide covering foundational concepts. Mastering High-Level CNC Macro Programming, Advanced Techniques for Professional Macro Programmers. Section 3. Advanced Level CNC Macro Development Program. Master CNC macros with 12 carefully crafted modules, each with assessments to ensure you fully understand the concepts. This section also includes an option to obtain a qualification certificate upon successful completion. Section 4. Simplified CNC Probing. Learn probing techniques with 9 specialized modules, assessments, and an optional qualification certificate. Section 5. Efficient Programming. Unlocking G65 for custom macro calls. Get an in-depth understanding of G65 macro functions, complete with detailed examples, video tutorials, and real-world applications. Section 6. System Optimization and Parameter Settings. Learn how to optimize machine parameters for more efficient macro execution. Includes full video tutorials on parameter adjustments. Section 7. Quick-Mill Pre-Written Macros. Access ready-to-use CNC macros, tested on the workshop floor and updated weekly. These serve as both plug-and-play solutions and a reference for creating custom macros. Section 8. Inside the Macro Code, Advanced Logic and Math Insights. Deepen your understanding of macro logic and calculations with expert insights. This section includes a macro math book with essential formulas. Section 9. Herco MacroForge. Specialized 6-module training focused on Herco CNC controllers with a certification upon completion. Section 10. Machine Macro Variables Repository. Download a comprehensive list of CNC machine system variables, essential for advanced macro programming. Section 11. Probing Software Download. Access probing software to generate CNC macro programs for probing cycles. Section 12. FANUC Software Suite. Gain access to 3 exclusive FANUC software tools to understand, modify, and optimize your FANUC controller's ladder setup. Section 13. CNC Macro Visualization Software and Probing Suite. Use virtual CNC machine simulators and macro editors to visualize and refine your programming. Includes software for connecting your CNC machine to your PC or laptop. Section 14. Macro Programmer's Toolbox. Download free tools including macro calculators, macro generating software, engraving generating software, machinist calculators, and multiple CAD/CAM software programs to install, all with no license required. Section 15. CNC Global Opportunities Network. Macromill connects professional CNC programmers with potential employers worldwide. This network provides excellent job opportunities for CNC macro programmers and machinists. Customers who join the program can also upload their resumes to our website, increasing their chances of being noticed by top companies in the industry. Join the CNC Macro Mastery Program today and take your CNC programming skills to the next level with Macromill.